how to search for a client or contact. To begin, right now I'm on my home page. I'll just select the Search tab. And then we have the search criteria. And the three that display, the three fields, access code, which is typically the Social Security number or EIN. And we have last name, business name, or DBA, first name, or nickname. If I want to expand my search criteria, I can just left click on the title bar. That will give me additional criteria to search for, such as the year, account year, site, business type, account type, phone number, email, scheduling type, which is typically your appointment or your walk-in, account number, whatever you put in that field for that particular account year. So these are many different ways you can search for a client. And if you expand this and continue to go throughout the software, when you come back, it'll remain expanded. Now, if you log out and log back in, it'll revert back to just the three main fields to display. I'm going to reduce down to just those three, and I'm going to go ahead and do a search for a client. For example, we'll search for John Casey. You can use the last name. You can use the last four of the social. You can use the full social, whatever you prefer. You don't have to type in all the fields. And you just select search or you hit enter. And what will display is the last year for that client. In this example, we have John Casey as an individual tax return client, and then he has a trucking business, KG Trucking, that we're doing bookkeeping for. So both files are displaying because they're both linked to John Casey. And how we link that, if I were to go into KG Trucking, right here under the primary contact, John Casey, so when I do a search, it's looking both for the business name, individual's last name, and also the primary and secondary and third contact also, if it's a business client. That's why we're getting two an individual and the trucking business to display. If I want to show all years, I just check the box, hit search. Now all years will display. So for KG Trucking, this is the very first year, 2015. But for John Casey's individual account, I have many years to display. And if I come back, and so you see show all years is checked. It'll remain that way until you log out. If you log back in, it reverts back to not being checked. That's how easy it is to search for a client or a contact. Thank you.